Today, I will show you how this simple act of can be the most powerful tool you have to face stress, anxiety, and improve your life. Every time we board a plane, we are instructed to ensure our own oxygen mask first. This mask is providing us essential oxygen when we need it the most. Just as this mask can save us, mindful breathing can rescue us when we encounter stress, restoring peace and vitality. I want to ask you, how many of you have made a breath work or breathing exercise before this event? Raise your hand, please. So we have quite some people who are doing this. In the following minutes, we will do a breathing exercise together. We will breathe 10 times, and at number 10, we will exhale all the air out, and we will stay in that moment for as long as we can. I don't want to force yourself. When you feel that big urge to breathe again, just fully inhale, and then exhale the air very slowly out. So we will begin. Full in, and out. 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 And this is the last time. In, and exhale all the air out, and stay in this moment. I want you to notice if you feel any sensation into your body. It could be some tingling, hot or cold, or it could be nothing at all. Everything you experience is just perfect. Now, when you feel that big urge to breathe, I want to breathe again, fully in. And on the exhale, I want you to close your eyes and connect to your body. Keep breathing deeply and relax. I want you to move your awareness to your right foot. Feel it and be aware of it. Now move your attention to your left foot. Feel it and be aware of it. Now bring your both feet into your attention. Feel them and be aware of them. Now we move up to our belly, stomach, hands and fingers to our chest and our head. Now I want you to bring your whole body into your awareness. Keep breathing deeply and relax. Now I want you to give yourself an inner smile, a big, big smile. And I want you to bring this smile on your face. Now I want you to give an inner smile to the person of your right or of your left, and feel the connection with those around you. With one last deep breath, I want you to open your eyes and come back here at your own pace. Remember, our breath is like our own oxygen mask. It's always there whenever we encounter stress or negative emotions. If you found this exercise interesting and you want to find out more about breathing, mindfulness, and meditation, I invite you to connect after this event. Breathe and live, and don't just live to breathe.